Alright, you produce screwheads. This is our doomstick.
I can't see anything on here. Oh, now I can. Alright, yep. Sock Monkey built this his own crazy damn self. If anyone dies, it'll be the master maker.
The handle's on fire.
That middle part.
Apparently you're okay with
much,
this.
much lighter.
It was always going to happen.
You
I'm
know,
warmer from over
you
here.
can say sentence about death.
That thing actually is just so terrifying. It's so frightening. And the fact that you're just throwing it in the air casually is actually possibly scarier than the thing itself.
I would suggest that you might want to make the middle handle a little wider.
Well, you see, Johnny unfortunately listened to me on this one. When I went 18 inches is not nearly enough. I can't hear a word you're saying. I'm talking to Nick.
It's okay. Don't die.
How are you spinning that one-handed? Dear goddess.
I was doing it earlier. It's not impossible. It's just, this air is small.
I know. Sock Monkey has the biggest balls. Oh my gods. Biggest fiery balls.
Practically pinned to us.
Yes, this is true.
Big swinging balls.
Come at me, bro. Just swing.
Sweet. They're the princes of the universe. There can be only one.
Actually, the monster there could be two.
Oh.
It is, I suppose, in fact, demonstrably.
Serious fireflies. Let's, of course, you know that. Let's out here.
This is going so well.
Relatively speaking, since we all assumed death.
Alright, you really shouldn't say that until they're no longer...
Soaked that one there, babe.
He dunked it like 4 times.
It's also completely red. The problem is also the flames keep trying to climb the handle. Okay, we ready to find,
Gloves would have been such a grand idea.
Yeah, our hands are
Oh,
so
there's more on
cold.
the ground over there.
Yeah, we're okay.
Why is the grass so dry? Do it! Do it! Do it! Fuck yes!
That was legitimately
Terrifying. I do love that flash every time, though.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Well, it's actually,
You gotta start cleaning up, guys.
especially since it's actually the fire department, which is, you know, around the corner from our house.
Thank God.
Wow.
I'm just gonna throw this down.
No, you can't. It's too lit, babe. It's too lit. You'd have to throw it down on the snow.
Does someone want to use the thingy? Yeah.
On the ice, on the concrete.
On the ice.
What I was gonna do.
It'll burn through the Duvetine in its present condition.
There's a calendar for somebody to go soak. I'm concerned it's going to melt tonight. Well, go soak the towel. Go now. Go.
Should I?
Go. Where's the towel? Do we have water out here, or just Julie, get this.
Yes, sir.
Inside. The fire bringer.
In a list of last things to yell.
That was up there, actually.
Did Matthew not wear gloves?
No, he did not.
Oh my god.
So your doomstick's nice once it stops burning.